Hey everybody, it's Dr. Tim here with Trinity Integrated Medical. Hope you're having a great day today. I did a live Facebook Live post last week on Tuesday, the big coronavirus webinar that I had promoted for a while. And one of the topics that I talked about during that webinar was the liposomal delivery of vitamins into your system to help your immune system fight off bugs and viruses. And I've gotten so many questions over the last week or so that I thought that I would just briefly, maybe over just a few minutes, explain what liposomal delivery vitamins are and how they actually can work for you. So long story short, when you're trying to boost your immune system, you need high bulk dosing of vitamin C, vitamin B12, glutathione, which is a great antioxidant, the best, and vitamin D3, amongst other things. Now, you can take those pills orally. You can even drop the vitamin B12 in liquid form underneath your tongue, and some D3 comes in liquid form. And the whole reason that people are moving towards the liposomal delivery is because you can get those high dosage without affecting the gut. And now when you take a pill, for example, vitamin C, you can absorb about 1,500 milligrams of vitamin C by taking a pill. Well, that's not near enough to boost your immune system to fight something specifically like this that we're facing right now with the coronavirus or the flu. So if you take 5,000 milligrams of vitamin C in pill form or powder form, then it's going to go into your gut, and after it's absorbed about 1,500 milligrams, the switch in your gut is going to actually shut down the system, and you're going to then produce diarrhea. And so you're not getting that vitamin C. In fact, most pills, when researched, you'll absorb about 40% of the amount you take, and that's up to 1,500, and then you won't get much more than that after that at all. So the liposomal delivery is a film around the outside. We have liposomes around every single cell in our body. It's the film, the envelope that cell is carried in, and those liposomes are just the membrane that absorbs water and does all the good things for our cells. Well, when you can encapsulate a vitamin C within that same type of film, the liposome, which is a little fat layer, then it can actually be absorbed through the membranes of your tissue. You can actually put the vitamin C on your skin and it will absorb. The best way is to absorb it in the mouth because that's where those layers are the thinnest. And so you're going to be able to put these liposomal delivery method of vitamins into your body much more effectively than if you were taking a pill or a powder. Now, I personally go up to about 1,500 in pills of the vitamin C daily, and then I also add maybe another 5,000 milligrams of liposomal delivery vitamin C. And the product that I actually use is right here. It's called BioG Max C. It's by Biogenics. Actually, it's Biogenetics, not Biogenics. Biogenetics, Biogenetix. Biogenetics. This is the vitamin C that I use right here. I keep it at my office. All my staff has theirs too, and I want to make sure that I'm taking mine and not someone else's, so I've labeled it. And this is the form, the liposomal form of delivered vitamin C, as well as B12, glutathione, and D3 that I'm currently taking to help boost my immune system. And you should be too. Our bodies are fighting all the other stuff going on in our world. They're fighting our poor lifestyle and our bad diet, and if we smoke or drink and those types of things, and if we're diabetic or if we have heart issues, all of those things are creating free radicals in our body that if we don't do something to bind those free radicals and decrease that oxidative stress, then our bodies are going to be too weak and worn out to fight against the virus when those things happen. So again, I tried to keep this short, under 5 minutes, but that's a little more information for you on liposomal delivery of vitamins into your body. Beats the heck out of pills and powders because you're just simply not getting enough, or you're making yourself have the other bad symptoms associated with too much vitamin C in the gut. So this is Dr. Tim giving you a helpful hint, a tip for today, and we'll be back soon to speak more about other things in the future. Thanks, bye.